To obtain a converter, visit the Data-Driven Construction website. The tool is available for free. Simply download it, unzip the file, and it's ready for use. Simply enter the folder's address where these files are stored and click the Conversion Start button. The transformation of closed and parametric formats into open and structured data begins. We obtain the geometries of every element from Revit or IFC project using the widely recognized and accessible Open Collada format, a prevailing standard in the realm of visualization. Each element in the project geometry has meta information that is stored in the project table. For each file, we acquire comprehensive meta information about the project in the shape of a large two-dimensional Excel table, the data frame, a format widely employed in nearly every domain of economics today. This data format allows you to quickly group, analyze, and visualize the data of the whole project and its individual groups without the need to use BIM applications or API connections within CAD tools. To get all information about elements in IFC format projects, just enter the address of the folder where IFC files are stored and click the button to start conversion. We obtain the geometries of every element from IFC project using the widely recognized and accessible Open Collada format. And two-dimensional project table allows for versatile data operations, such as validation, grouping, and analysis, in any software designed to handle tabular data or data frames. To use the terminal version of the converter on Windows, open either Command Prompt or PowerShell in the folder where the converter is located. Then, enter the file path of the Revit or IFC document you wish to convert into SPAN form and hit the Enter key. To simultaneously process and analyze hundreds or thousands of projects in Revit or IFC formats, utilize the provided sample code found in the folder with the converter. This code can be integrated into any process logic and operates entirely offline, eliminating the need for BIM or CAD tools. Please consider subscribing to our social media channels and sharing this video. By doing so, you'll be supporting the creation of more content focused on the role of data in construction. Thank you for your support.